I'll guide you through how to add users to Google Drive without the confusing permission levels or team access. If you're looking to share files with your team for a new project, or you want to give a client access to a specific folder, and you need to add users to Google Drive, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. Before we start, it's important to understand the two main ways you can add people: by sharing a single file or folder in My Drive, or by adding members to a shared drive. We'll cover both, but for teams and businesses, we highly recommend using shared drives. Here's how to do the complete process step by step. The first method is adding users to a shared drive. This is the best practice for a business because all files in a shared drive are owned by the company, not an individual. To do this, simply open the shared drive and click the Manage Members icon at the top. Enter their name or email address. As you type, Google automatically searches the organization's directory and provides suggestions.
Next is to assign roles to the added users.
It's crucial to understand shared drive permissions because you'll need to set a permission level for each user. Manager has full control and can add or remove members. Content Manager can add, edit, and delete files. Contributor can add and edit files but can't move them. Commenters can only view and comment on files. Viewers can only view files.
Select one and click Save.
The second method is to add a user to share from My Drive. If you just need to add a user to gain access to just a single file or folder from your personal Google Drive, My Drive, then this method is recommended. Right-click on the file or folder you want to share. Select Share and enter their user's email or start typing and select their name or email as auto-suggested by Google. You can then choose from 3 access levels: Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Now that you've learned how to add users to Google Drive, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Google Workspace video tutorials. Thanks for watching.